Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing sample problems of heating air in a duct. So the problem is air at 10 degrees Celsius enters a duct and is heated to 30 degrees Celsius. The volumetric flow rate is 2 cubic meter per minute. Determine the sensible heat added if air density is 1.2 kg per cubic meter and the Cp is equal to 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram per minute. So the solution is first, we will compute the mass flow rate. So the formula for mass flow rate is equivalent to volume times density over 60. So our volume is volumetric flow rate is 2 cubic meter per minute multiplied by 1.2 kilogram per cubic meter over 60. So by using calculator, we will get a mass flow rate of 0.044 kilogram per second. Next, we will compute now the sensible heat. The formula for sensible heat is Q sub S is equal to M sub A times Cp multiplied by the temperature 2 minus temperature 1. So by just substituting the value of our M sub A is 0.4, substitute, then the value of our Cp is 1.005, and the temperature 2 is 30 minus the temperature 1